On this video, we are going to show you how to connect your EBS Google spreadsheet to AZInsight. The first thing you need to do is to verify that you are connected with the Google account you are going to use on AZInsight. To verify this, you can go to your Google Drive and click on your profile picture. There, you will see a list of all the Google accounts you are using at this moment. The next thing you need to do is to verify that you had a copy of the EBS Google spreadsheet on your Google Drive. On AZInsight, you need to open your export configuration. You do this by going to the settings and then export configuration. Here, you will see a button that says Sign in with Google. Click on it and it's going to open a new window to allow access to your Google account. After allowing AZInsight access to your Google account, you need to add a new spreadsheet. Click on Add New Spreadsheet. Here, you need to select your Google spreadsheet, your Google Sheet, then you add your header row. The EBS header row goes from A5 to AC5. Then you click on Add New Export Profile. On the new update of AZInsight, you need to select that you are creating a data profile for the calculator. Select Export and Import, Import from Library, and select version 8. Click Yes. Then add a name for your data profile, and then click Save. Click Save. Now you can go to the calculator screen and verify that the connection is working properly.